Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you made this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your chickpeas for a yummy taste. Chickpeas is called garbanzo in Spanish. So first of all, you wash your chickpeas, you wash it, put it in a bowl and wash first before you now go ahead to soak it. So that's what I'm going to do. I've added it to a bowl, then I've added water to wash it. After washing it, you see just a little dirt. So that's why you need to wash it first before you soak. So after washing it, you will now add water you use to soak it. If you have like 1 cup of garbanzo, then you add water 2 cups, double the quantity of water. There's garbanzo 1:2. That's just how to soak it. So I've added the water. I will now leave it to soak for 12 hours overnight. I soaked mine overnight. You can soak for 8 hours. The more you soak, the better, because it will reduce the cooking time. So I've removed the water I used to soak it. I'm using pressure pot. With pressure pot, you cook it maximum of 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. So that's it. I've added water. With normal pot, it can take you 1 hour 30 minutes. So now I will leave it to cook and bring out this whitish substance, because this is what causes you, after eating it, you will now be gas. So I will keep it open and boil it. Now I will now scoop out this whitish substance. I'll scoop it out. After scooping it out, I'll go ahead to now add my garlic and bay leaf. These two things will help it to cook very fast and for it to have a very yummy taste. Try it. You will love the outcome. You will love the result. So I've added it. I'll now cover it for it to cook. Remember, you are not to add salt at this time. You cook it until it is done before you now add your salt. Otherwise, it will take longer time. So here it is 90 or 95% done. I will now add my salt and allow it to simmer for a while before I now bring it down. Yeah, so here our garbanzo is done. This is how I prepare it and keep it in the fridge. So anytime I need to cook it, I will now just bring a portion and use and cook. Not when I need it, I will now start to cook. No. So this is the way I prepare it white before. If I want to cook it with verduras, vegetable. That's what Spanish called verduras. I want to really use this opportunity to thank you guys for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.